Yan, so guys, good afternoon. Kamusta kayo? No? Ito, samantalain ko ulit tulog yung aking bunso at nasa labas yung aking panganay. So meron ako ditong PSP Deep Red PSP 2000. Ito po ay PSP 2000. Medyo nagre-reflect lang yung kulay nung natatamaan ng ilaw kasi nagre-reflect yung fluorescent ng ilaw ng bahay na dun sa crystal case. So gaming test ako ngayon, burn-in test. Para ma-check ko yung temperature nito, and then ma-check ko rin yung gameplay, no, kung gaano siya ka-smooth sa gameplay. So dun sa PSP 1000 white ko, naglaro ko dun ng Ghost of Sparta, no? Pero this time siguro dito ko na lang lalaroin yung hindi, I mean tinapos ko dun yung Chain of Olympus. So this time dito ko lalaroin yung Ghost of Sparta naman, para maiba naman. Ayan, Ghost of Sparta lang yung nakalagay dito. So ayan lang i-gameplay test ko dito, guys. Then kung nakikita nyo, meron ako ditong PSP Silver na 3000. Dito ko naman iti-test yung Dante's Inferno, no? So ngayon naka-standby lang siya kasi obserbahan ko yung unit. So yan mga for sale natin yan, guys. So unahin ko muna itong pula para maidagdag ako dun sa nakapost kong kulay puti na PSP Fat, no? So again, gameplay test po ito, no? Gameplay test, and then burn-in test na rin para makita ko yung temperature ng unit. So nakalagay siya sa crystal case para makita ko kung ano yung response ng unit, no, dun sa gameplay test natin, no? And then siguro sa mga darating na games ko pa, aalisin ko na lang tong case kung papasa na siya sa heat test natin o sa burn-in test. Kasi mahirap mag-play test, nag-record ako, ayan, no, naka-capture, no, yung yung aking reflection ng crystal case, no. So i-avoid ko yan, iwasan ko yan sa mga darating kong gameplay. So ayan, nakikita nyo ako, no. Yan. Sa mga darating kong gameplay, aalisin ko na itong crystal case. Pero since ito ay first gameplay ko sa PSP Red na to, so hayaan muna natin yan dyan, yung crystal case na yan. Sa mga darating na gameplay ko, ayan, na lang, alisin ko na lang. So let's go, guys. Simulan na natin.
Kratos, the ghost of Sparta, had taken his place amongst the Olympians as the god of war. The bloodshed, the relentless battles, had finally brought him here. Ares was dead, and though Olympus beckoned, visions of his mortal existence still haunted him. Kratos knew that this was not a mere vision, for with the gods, nothing was ever as it seemed. The vision of his past set Kratos in search of answers. Answers that lay in the temple of Poseidon, deep within the city of Atlantis.
Not a wise course of action, Kratos. It was a dream, nothing more.
The visions still haunt me, Athena. The visions you promised to take away. But this vision, I can change.
Perhaps it is a vision best left unchanged. There is more to this than you know. Please.
At sumampa ng barko ang mga ulupon. Tapos ko muna, no, time check. So 4:50, at the same time pala, guys, battery testing din tayo, no, kung ilang oras itatagal ng ating battery. Ito po ay brand new battery, OEM din, tulad nung nasa PSP 1000 white ko, no, yung ceramic white ko. So same battery sila, guys, na PSP OEM siya, OEM version ng PSP battery. Okay, game na, testing na, diretso na. So ito, hindi ko pwedeng takasan to kasi nakasara yung pinto ng barko. Kung pwede lang ang buksan. Bubuksan natin, ang problema kasi nakasara yan. So kita nyo yung mga gameplay ko noon sa Chain of Olympus. Tinatakasan ko lang itong mga to. Pero this time hindi ko matatakasan kasi sarado ang pintuan. Iya, sarado yung pinto na. The beast is destroying our fleet. Ay, hindi na ba? Lord Poseidon has abandoned us. While holding Shambhalagalang Shenshengquan. Diretso tayo. Skip natin yan. Gameplay test, burn-in test, battery test. Yan ang ating testing ngayon dito sa ating PSP 2000 white. Red. PSP 2000 deep red or red. Wow, nakahuli ako. Ay, layo ka dyan. Sa mga darating na araw guys, nagpaplano akong bumili ng converter para maganda yung video output natin na hindi yung ganito. Pati yung ano, kuha tayo ng game card, PSP game card capture. Where are you? Taran, taran. Isa pang another game test din ito guys, yung button test. So makikita nyo kung gaano ka smooth at kung gaano ka responsive yung ating buttons. Pati analog, kitang kita nyo sa gameplay na yan guys, walang ka-problema. So sa may mga mag-i-inquire, bagay na bagay sa inyo to guys, magtatanong kamusta yung unit bossing. Ano ba, may problema ba? Siyempre, see it to yourself na lang. Kita nyo naman ang video na ito na magpapatunay kung ano ang kondisyon ng unit natin guys. Okay, hanggang 30 minutes lang pa rin tayo guys, na syempre i-maintain natin yung yung tamang file size ng video, no, para may upload natin ng maayos sa Facebook. Sa YouTube okay lang mag 4K kaso sa Facebook kasi naglalagay din ako ng video, saka doon ito nakapost sa Facebook Marketplace, kaya naka 1080p lang tayo dito sa ating video. Save tayo, save. Unang save natin. So tahimik, tulog ang aking bunso. Samantala ito yung gameplay natin. Yan, hindi na kailangan yan. Tapas na natin yan. We can't defeat them all. Bonsai. Ow! Why? Hindi siya nakatalong kasi nahaharangan yun. Sabay-sabay na pumatong. So kailangan din natin mag-upgrade kaya kunin natin ito. Wait lang nga, nakatodo ba yung ating brightness? 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
The Temple of Thanatos, the god of death, a vestige of a long forgotten time. Erected before the rule of the Olympians, this temple was not placed here by mortal hands. Within its walls lay a passage to the domain of death.
Their passage to the domain of death. Ayos eh. Ay, sablay. Sablay. in the distance.
In the distance stood the Temple of Poseidon, a monument erected by the Atlanteans to the greatness of their protector, the god of the seas.
Thyself, and your path shall be revealed.
Come, brave Spartans. The battle is done. Kratos, bring Deimos inside.
What the shit?
How I have missed you, Kratos.
What treachery is this? Another trick of the gods.
No, my son. It is me. Your father brought me here. I have waited so long.
My father.
We do not have much time. Kratos, your brother does not have much time.
Deimos.
He lives, trapped in torment, deep in death's domain.
But he's gone. You told me that he
I'm
was...
sorry. I had no choice but to lie. You must listen now. The temple of Ares in Sparta holds the secret that will lead to your brother. The road will not be easy, but you must help him. You must, Kratos. He needs you.
This cannot be. Why? Why would you do this?
Your father forbid me to tell
My father? Who is my father?
Who does your father? Ano? Sabi niya, ano? Kitang kita ko, nagre-reflect talaga ako yung itsura ko, ay yung ano ko sa background eh. Gawa ng crystal case. So next video natin guys, alasin ko yung crystal case. Mga 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, pwede ka nang check yung ano nito, temperature. First gameplay po ng ating PSP Deep Red. PSP 2000. Deep Red color.
What have I done?
With her last breath, she released the weight of her burden and finally found the peace she had long sought. But for Kratos, the rage was almost palpable. Fate had once again pushed him to the brink of madness.
Alright, siguro pagdating dun sa may vulkan, doon na tayo mag-save after siguro. Kasi 28 minutes na. Tapos 30 minutes na. 30 minutes lang ang ating palugit sa ating video file size. So, i-stop tayo. Tapos, check tayo ng battery health. Check tayo ng temperature. Then, save point na. Tapos, continue natin yung next video na lang. After nito, ang laban na to. Siguro, pag nakapunta tayo sa isang save point. Kasi may save point guys. Let's get this one. Kunin natin ito. Impactan dito. Para tayo makalayo ng magkaroon lang tayo ng HP. Kasi mamaya malalakas na yung kalaban. Lalo yung lumulusok sa ilalim ng lupa. Mahirap kalaban yun. Visit yun. Okay, yan, sakto. Save tayo dito. Save. Natin natin yung save point. Tapos, exit na muna tayo. Kasi sakto, 30 minutes na. 30 minutes na ang ating balugit sa ating every gameplay natin. 30 minutes. Tapos mag-continue tayo kasi yung file size kino-consider natin. Okay, exit muna tayo guys. Pause ko muna siya. Pause muna natin. Exit muna tayo. Stop ko muna. Next video tayo later. Next video tayo later.